Welcome back to another fabulous episode of the Reckless Wrench Garage. Yeah, we're back this week, fixing my mistakes yet again. You saw in the last episode how pigs weren't meant to fly. This time, hopefully we can make it where they are meant to fly. Get some wings on there and a stronger truss so it doesn't fall apart when I land. Gotta love the smell of plasma cut metal in the morning.
The original idea behind building the next truss was to do the same basic hoop across the top, add some vertical supports, and add some tubing going out to the pinion. After laying out some tape, kind of getting an idea of what it would look like, we decided instead do the same basic shape for the hoop, do some vertical supports, plate from the tube down to the housing and the axle tubes, and then build a bridge off the front of the link bracket out to the pinion. Basically do similar to some of the trusses that are on the market, using tubing across the top instead of flat stock.
The new victim.
The time has come to weld the plates to the axle housing. Again, this is the cast iron housing. Welding mild steel to cast iron is a little bit tricky. Generally, you would want to use high nickel rod with a stick welder, or TIG welding, or something that I don't have. I'm just stuck with this little MIG welder. So my only option is to preheat the housing, just like we did on the front axle truss. Get it up to about 400 degrees, keep it as warm as possible, weld it, warm it up some more until I'm done welding it, keep it nice and toasty, and then wrap it in a blanket and let it cool itself down slowly over time.
What are we at right now for temperature?
See, currently we're at, oh, wait for it, 36 degrees.
Ooh, a little brisk.
Yeah, it's a little chilly out here. So it might take a while to heat this thing up.
All right.
Hopefully it goes smoothly and doesn't fall off this time. Let's hope for the best. If it pops at all, well, we're pretty well screwed.
So through the blanket, we're at 162.
Nice.
We were around probably 450 when we wrapped it up. So
See the smoke coming up?
yeah, hopefully this slows it down. Chris says if this breaks, he's gonna take up basket weaving. So
Yeah.
hopefully in a few months you guys aren't watching Reckless Wrench Craft Edition.
I have faith.
Oh.
That's the worst. Oh,
Circuit breaker?
wait.
Or is the cord?
Oh, why?
That was the biggest welding letdown ever.